Our team helps clients hire the talent they need by understanding the requirements. We can help them with interview processes. We can discuss fees with them and what works best, and we've got different packages that essentially, depending on what they're looking for, we can match it up to the requirements and send them the perfect candidates. Essentially, we reach out to candidates and we'll always set up a 20 or 30-minute call beforehand, before we send them over to different companies. We find out the reason for leaving and what their ideal position is, and that essentially just matches it up to the perfect job for them. So what makes our team unique is that there's 5 consultants that work specifically on web development roles, so Django, Flask, Fast API, whereas a lot of the other companies, they will mix into data engineering and machine learning engineering and data science. So we are unique in that way, and there's 5 of us, so we're probably a lot bigger when it comes to comparing us to other companies. Some of the industries that we focus on, it's pretty much anything, to be fair. So fintech, green tech, crypto is a big thing recently as well. Honestly, anything you can think of. A lot of AI companies are hiring. We focus just on the engineers themselves.